For a 7-step accel ladder, you're going to work on your first 7 steps throughout the acceleration process. Again, you want the foot striking behind the center of mass, shins pointed forward, that's your steering wheel, torso matching the shins. So you want to be able to maintain that posture throughout those 7 steps. In the bio of this video, or in the information underneath, I'll list where those cones should be set up. There's an exact amount of distance you want to set up to average, which is very relative, and somebody might strike the ground at a different spot than somebody else, but it gives you a point of reference for each foot to strike at that cone. So I'll include that in the video. So working on the first 7 steps, I want you to start half kneel. For the half kneel posture, knee very close to that heel, shin forward, shin matches my torso angle, back toe tucked in the ground, arms at the ready, especially that back arm ready to explode. So first thing that you're gonna do, work on the first 3 steps, and then we're gonna work on the next 5 steps. Then we're gonna do an entire sprint, then we'll rise to a half kneel and different variations from that. So the first 3 steps, striking behind the body center of mass, we'll work back to the start. Then you work the next 5 steps. The reason we start in the half kneel position is to really be able to overcome your body's mass and feel the extension. The more you extend through that back arm, the more you're gonna extend through the opposite hip to be able to push off. A rise to a 2-point stance. It's gonna look like this. Rise up. Now, nothing should change in terms of my torso matching my shin angle. So just because I rise up, I have 70% pressure on this front foot. I should feel my glute, my hamstring loaded, but 30% pressure pushing back into the ground, right here. Striking behind the body center of mass. Now you can do different positions. At this point, after we work on 3-step, 5-step, half kneel, rise to a split stance, then I like to do races with different athletes. You can either do standing split stance race, you can do an L-sit race. L-sit here. As soon as you say go, athletes have to self-organize, get up and sprint. You can be as creative as you want. Off to the side, backwards, standing on your hands, it doesn't matter, but it drives that intent of the race. But again, you start half kneel, work on the acceleration shapes. You can do single, triple step, and then 5-step. Work through the entire thing, rise to split stance, work split stance, and then get creative with the positions to really drill that acceleration posture.